Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today in our Akai effect series, we'll be talking about the Air Multitap Delay Effect. Let's go. Yeah, welcome back. Let's dive in right away to load it up, and then we'll talk about what it does and how best to use it. Air Multitap Delay Effect right here. So the interface looks a bit much with all the parameters, but I can assure you if you get one, you get everything else. So let's talk about what this multi-tap delay effect actually does, right? It helps you to create a multiple independently controlled delay lines, each with its own set of parameters. And that is what you have here, right? And what is the advantage? It basically means it can allow you to build intricate rhythmic patterns, of repeated echoes. And it can also add grooves and movement to your sounds. What this means is the delay effect you are getting when you're using the diffuser delay or the air delay, this is multiplied by 5 and it gives you the control over each of those delay effects. Basically what it's saying is, let us create now a chorus of delay without even having to use feedback. We can create a chorus of delay and everything will be timed as to when they will be coming in. So it's also very useful when you're trying to simulate a scenario whereby you want to have a chorus of your delay effects, talking about a repeated rhythmic pattern of your sound signal. Now let's take a look at that quickly from our previous videos. If you have not seen that, I will also put a link here and also in the comment section below, where you can actually find out and know better what all these sites are for. By now you should be used to what they do: delay, the syncing, the feedback, and then your mix. But now if you take a look at what we have here, this is 1 delay, 2, 3, 4, 5 set of delays, which means it gives you the power to adjust the delay, the repeated delay, 5 times. We'll take a look at the parameters to explain what the Air Multitap delay does, as well as also coming to the routing and filter. This should be straightforward, right? Because you're already used to feedback. What this is just trying to say is, okay, I can send my feedback route now, something that is not available in the air delay or the air diffuser delay. But from here, you can send your feedback from whichever tap to the other tap. So maybe you send it directly to the input, or you can send it even to other tabs that are there from 1 to 5. So you can say, I want to route the output that is coming from the feedback of the output that is coming from the tap 1. I want to send it to tap 3 so that I can hear it again, being repeated on the third tap. And then this is basically to control your low cuts, and this one is for your high cuts, your filters per se. Now let's come back to the taps. Like we mentioned, multi-tap is basically trying to give you 5 different taps. That means you can set 5 repeats, 5 echoes, and you have the liberty to specify when they should come in using the delay, which will also still adhere to your delay time. But now here, when to come in, the less time comes in first. And that's why even here in the demo you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%. The less time comes in first, then the more you dial in the percentage it does, the more it will be delayed. That's basically what it is. Now you have your pan to either the left or the right of your speakers, then that's your output. Then you have your volume. The reason why it is fully onto your right and 0 decibel is you are supposed to actually remove from it. Do you get it? So which means you don't want it to be as loud as the other ones, because this is considered the actual volume that is coming out from the effect. Now to hear that in action, I will take this to 0 like I always do, right? Then I'll play so that you just hear the original, then I'll mix it up. That's the original. Now let's bring in the wet signal. You hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let me take this down. You hear that? You're hearing just 4 now. Let me take this also down to 0. 0, 0. Now this is simulating the air delay, just one. But now this is more like you have 5 air delay applied at once. Awesome. And you can use this to generate some fun rhythmic pattern. Let's go. Let me show you something. So now you can work on your pan to the left or to the right. And the volume. We've taken away all the volume. In the previous delays cover, which is diffuser delay and the air delay, you might not be able to monitor or control the volume in itself. But here you are able to do that. As you can see, it's still playing. Everything is just mute right now. Now let's bring you back. I have to use this for the fifth one because this cannot take that. So as you can see, just like I said earlier, your low cut, you do this, you cut off the low, and this is the high cut. You do this, you cut off your highs. More lows for you, more high for you. And this is just the 100% wet signal. If you mix it in with the dry, so it can be complicated. Remember, this feedback that you do here affects what you hear from tap 5 to tap 2. So I can choose to send it directly back to the input or to any other taps that is there. Yes, so that's basically all about the multi-tap delay effect. It just helps you to create a rhythmic pattern of your delay or your echo. Just consider it as 5-in-1 for your normal delay effects right here. I think that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.